Hi. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back. So as I see my vlog today's Sunday, the 19th of October. So you guys, we're doing wait my address. So I ordered my birthday was in June, and in June I ordered 4 bags. So let me give you guys a backstory. So I'm a very prudent person. Like, why am I telling you guys this? Anyways, I wanted to splurge on my birthday. I wanted to have fun. I wanted to like just enjoy myself basically. So I bought a lot of things. Oh my god, I got a lot of things in the month of June. I literally like emptied my account. Was I happy? Yes. Was I broke? Absolutely. So one of the things I got was this particular package from Fine Funky, where she was doing like China bag tour or something like that. So I ordered, you guys, I spent 6 figures on bags. Like, I'm not saying the exact figure, but I know that I spent 6 figures on these bags I did. But I'm actually very happy now. The bags are here and I want to, unbox and see if what I ordered is what I got. So I think the view is better this way. I'm trying to get a very good view so that I can show you guys. You guys, see what I'm wearing? I'm wearing these pants. Wait. You guys, I'm wearing these pants. Chill. You guys, I'm wearing these pants by HB Needles. You guys, this pants is the absolute gorgeous. It's actually okay, but it's so cute. Like, just apart, it's really nice. My laundry basket. Anyways, I think I'm actually like in my short era and I love it so much. Anyways, let's get right into this together and see if what I wanted is what I got. I'm trying to be careful so I don't cut anything. But do I like the packaging? I don't understand. I spent a whooping sum more. I spent my salary on this thing, but I'm actually happy that I actually got it, even though sometimes in the month of July I was already like, Sadie, why were you so and I'm not usually impulsive. Like, I am not at all. Like, I usually like think things through. This particular one, so I thought about it through, but I didn't know that I would end up spending so much money buying the number of bags that I did. I'm trying to hurry because I have things to do. Oh my god. So I think I got like 7 or 8 bags in total. That's so chaotic. You guys, I think I made a mistake after I paid for the bags. I realized that I got one particular design, I got one particular design, the same color, 2 pieces. So we'll check that one last. So the first thing I got, I know that I needed so much, was this laptop bag. Even though, to be very honest, I was thinking that it was going to be a little smaller, but it's not bad. Oh, okay, here's an extra strap. It's not bad. So I got this particular one, bag number 2. You guys, I got this bag. I don't know, it's nice, but it's smaller than I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting actually, but it's really small. But it's not bad. I also think that one of the mistakes that I made with these bags is the fact that I actually bought a lot of black bags. This is number 2. I got a lot of black bags, which I shouldn't, because I have a few blacks. I should have gotten in other colors. So I got this as well. This is a very small bag actually. It is very small. I don't know, bags are not bad. Quality, good, but I think I don't know what I think. Like very, oh okay, this one, oh I feel like a few of them came with dust bag, which is nice. I got this particular bag in green, but then I actually have a bag in green. Besides, what is wrong with you? But I have a shoe that I've not worn in like a year because it's green. So I think I will wear it more. But a very small bag that I can take out with me on a date. You guys, do I have a date in mind? No. But will I go on date? Definitely. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. Not that all of the bag came with in a dust bag. That's one thing for me, because I feel like my bag, okay, I should have taken coffee for this one. This brown is so loud, but it is nice. It is nice, and it came with this labu labubu. Okay, wait, now to this particular one that I got in two different designs. I mean in the same design but two different ones. This particular bag, I feel like I might sell one. Wait, let me even set out my laptop. Oh, because that's the reason why I got it, because of my laptop. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, now, okay, because I wanted to test out my laptop, and then it actually entered like freely. Wait, it entered freely, but the downside is I have two of these bags. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. I have two of these bags. So this is one. I should just ignore me chewing. Oh, I'm actually very tired, and this is the second one. So I got this bags in, I don't know why, because that was actually a mistake. It wasn't but I can actually give this to my mom. Oh, we can twin. My mom loves big bag because she has a very, very huge Bible. So I think I'll just give one of these to my mom, or maybe I'll sell it. I don't know yet. So this is another set that I got. And then last, let's do asmire. So this is the last one. This particular bag, I saw, I don't know why I'm sweating now. I saw the post, I saw the, what's it called, on Instagram, and I would look like, oh, this bag really looks really good. Like, it looks really nice. Let me buy it. That's why. Clock it. Oh my god, I think this bag is gorgeous. This bag is my best buy. Okay, aside from this one, it's actually like my best buy. But this particular one, okay. This is so cute. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually very, very cute. I'm not gonna lie. Can you guys see? And the material for this is very, very solid. Oh, can you guys? Oh, okay. I love it. I absolutely love this. And it came with its own what's it called as well. And this bag is actually very cute. It came in a box. It came in this box. You can actually gift it to somebody. But do I have anybody I want to gift anything? I don't think so. All of my friends have done their birthday, so I didn't even want this video to be very long, but we don't like the unboxing of my 6-digit purchase. You guys, I splurged. I'm not gonna lie. Do I regret it? Absolutely. Let me check this one with my laptop, because those are like one of the reasons why I got the bags, because I didn't want to be carrying. Oh, absolutely. But if I should put my laptop in it, it's not going to zip. So so I have to pick a struggle. But it's actually cute. Oh, but I wished I actually got this in coffee. The coffee looks like the brown to me. This is looking like not mustard now, but it's not looking brown to me. It looks, because wait, this is an orange. Oh, okay. There's a difference. It looks orange-ish. Anyways, so this is my bag, and maybe one of these days we will do what's in my bag, what's in my office bag. So I love this bag. I love this one the most. I love this one so much, I'm not gonna lie. And then this bag, I love it. But to be honest, I was actually thinking that it was going to be a little thicker than this. It works, it's good, quality is nice for the amount we paid, to be honest. So we have this bag as well. We have this bag as well. This is in coffee. I absolutely love this, and I wished I actually got something in wine, because wine is such a beautiful color that I would have loved it so much. But this is so pretty, and I feel like I might go out with this. I might go out with it. I'm such a bag freak. You guys will start thinking, why do you have so much bag? Because I wanted to make myself happy, and then I got this. I don't think I would be needing this, to be honest. I wish I did not buy this. Now I'm sorry, because it looks too serious, and I think I'll be selling this. I'll think about it to probably just dash somebody. What do I want to dash? Or just sell. So yeah. And then this bag in beige, is it beige? In beige is small, cute, and you know, very nice. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my bag haul, and I'll see you guys in the next video, if there's any.